I want you guys to pay attention to what I'm about to show you guys. So guys, I want you guys to watch this chart. Look at this chart because there's something I'll be showing to you guys that can change your trading forever. So guys, pay close attention. This is the trade I took on Monday, guys. This is the trade right here. So there was something I mentioned. So this is where price opened on Monday. So let me show you. This is the opening of the day, which is the Asian opening. So price, pushed to the upside. Price opened at this area. It pushed up, it pushed up, it pushed up, it pushed up. Just Asian range was doing its thing. Then London came. This is the Asian close. This is London opened somewhere around here. London took out this Asian low, swept the liquidity at this downside. Then London session started ranging. So what happened during New York session? New York guys have to come. This was the last range. New York breakout rather. New York. I'll be using my New York breakouts for this all my entries. So when I am seeing liquidity being swept, so this is the liquidity being swept at this area. It took out this low. Then London started ranging a little bit. Then New York guys came and they ranged and they broke above this London high. This is the London high. They broke above it, retested. Then what happened? It smashed TP right here. So this was what I used to catch this trade. I made a video about this, guys, so I'll be leaving the link in the description so you guys can go check the video out if you haven't watched the video. This will really change the way you look at trading if you can master these concepts. So let me show you the trade, the second trade I took, which this was the trade I took. So this trade, I took a loss on this trade right here, guys. I took a loss on this trade, which was I was looking at this as a breakout. So but this was just the liquidity. So then price broke below this area. It took out this London low. Then when I saw this breakout, that is why I said when you know what you're doing in trading, nothing can stop you. Nothing can stop you doing. So this is what happened, guys. Price broke below this London. When I took this loss, I was like, okay, no problem, let's see what's gonna happen. Then price broke below this. When I see this confirmation, I just waited for price to tap into this area. Price just pushed up and it retested this week right here, this week at this area, guys. Check it out, this week. Then retested it. Then I sold. I entered the trade late though. I'll be showing the trade on the screen right now, so for you guys to see. I just sold from this area and it went straight to my TP direct. This concept works, guys. Like, I am not capping when I tell you this. I know what I'm saying. This is what I have back tested for what, and I know what I mean what I said, because I know what I said. This was the trade I took on Friday, which didn't hit TP, but when I saw the rejection was too much, then I had to scale out of the trade, because if I didn't, I would have myself to blame. So guys, this was the trade. This was also the same concept, guys. I'm just breaking these guys to you guys so you guys could understand what I'm trying to say. This is so guys, mainly what I use for this trade is I'm using my 15-minute time frame, because the 15-minute time frame has more quality confirmation than the 5-minute time frame. So I will do the analysis of my daily time frame. I'll head on to my 1 hour and I'll head on to my 15 minutes. So I'll be looking for my entries on my 15 minutes, and I'll be using it as my confirmation breakout to when the session has opened. So guys, this is the last, mainly is the last low. So what happened here, guys, is that this is let me just do a quick recap on this, guys. This is the London broke out below this area. London broke out Asian. It took out Asian low. It broke below this area. It retested and did its thing. Then when London is about to link with New York, then it created a range. A little. This is the range. It pushed up a little bit, created a lower high, then pushed down rather. Then it came. Then the New York guys came. They broke above the London high. Then retested it. Then it pushed to the upside. So mainly, guys, I have said this before, this is not 100% accuracy. Nothing in trading is 100%. It has at least a 70% win rate. I am giving you guys for free. This has 70% win rate. I am not capping. When I tell you this, I am not capping at all. I know what I'm saying, because this is what works. Because it works, that is why I'm preaching this, guys. So you guys should check the video below to see the full breakdown on what I was explaining on this concept. I call it my London breakout or my London golden zone. Either way, guys. So guys, this is it, guys. This is how I was able to also catch this trade on Friday, which is price range a little bit, then it broke above my London high. It broke above it. This is, are you seeing it? This is London session. This is this green area. This green area is London. This gray is New York. Why this blue is Asian. So this is my last high. This is my last London high. Then New York guys broke above it. Are you seeing it? It is just very simple. Looking for your last low, guys, but you also look for where price, because there is one thing about this concept is that you first identify where the trend is headed. Mainly now we are in a bearish trend because price has broken a low at the daily time frame. Price broke this low. I have this trend line right here. I have marked this trend line months ago. The US dollar is very strong right now. US dollar is very, very strong due to what is going on in the United States. US dollar, I've marked this trend line a long time ago. There, I see the price has broken below this trend line. It is quite very, very, very crazy. It broke below the trend line, so price is bearish. So what I traded mainly is a pullback, because when price break out, there is a higher chance it's gonna pull back. But when I saw the pullback, though pullback is very risky, but when I saw the pullback is aligning with my London breakout, then I am trading the pullback, which is what I showed you guys, which is what I showed you guys right here. So price broke below this trend line, so no matter what, price is gonna retest this area right here, no matter what, before it continues the initial trend. So all I did was just traded with the trend. This was just what happened. This was the low, the London low. This was the London low. This was the New York breakout. New York guys broke above London. Then it retested it. Then I took the buy position right here. So I'll be showing you guys all the trade I took, so you guys could see. So this is just it, guys. So guys, that's just my analysis for the week, guys, and these are all the trades I took for the week. So guys, as I explained in the video, guys, I'm not capping. What I'll be doing now is that I'll be, creating a new Telegram, because, I had a Telegram channel, but, I wasn't able to log in back into the account. So I'll be creating a new Telegram, which I'll be leaving the link in the description of this video, so you guys could go subscribe to the channel, and, I'll be dropping all my before and after analysis on the channel, guys. So before I take the trade, I'll drop it. Anybody that wants to participate with the trade can take the trade with me. I'll be doing my analysis there, and I'll also be dropping the signals there, just the trade free signals there on the trade for anyone that wants to trade it. So that's just it for the week, guys. This week was also great, guys. I won't lie to you guys. So guys, thanks for watching this video to this extent. If you learned something in this video, do well to share this video, like, subscribe, support your boy in any way you can. So guys, stay tuned, guys. So see you in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.